once again. Okay, the last class we had learned about what? A new chapter, first chapter, adding angles. Then now we are discussed about angles. How to form an angles? How to form an angles? You had learned every last week. Then we have discussed about the protractor. Protractor has the two scales, inner scale, outer scale, everything we have discussed last class. Okay, now we are discussing the angles. Angles. How to form an angle? The angles are union of the two rays. That is, angles are union of the two rays with the same end point. What is that? First we can draw one baseline. This is one ray. Then another one can again draw another ray. Then this is an angle. Simply we can say two rays meet at the same end point. Simply we can say two rays meet at the same end point. This is called vertex. This is called vertex. Okay, this is called vertex. Then how to naming of an angle? How to naming? Then first of all we have put a number or letters. First A, B, C. How to read this angle? How to read this angle? Angle. We already discussed the symbol of angle is this. Okay, do you remember? The symbol of angle is this. Do you remember this? Okay, then angle ABC. ABC. Then you always remember one thing. The vertex is you should write in the center. Okay, once again I repeat. You write the one angle's name, the naming one of an angle. You should write a vertex in the you should write in the middle. Okay, then angle ABC. Don't write like this. C, B, C, A. This is wrong. Always you remember, keep in your mind what the vertex is. It should write in the center. Then we can say this angle name is angle ABC. Yes, another angle. I will draw another angle. This is the vertex. Is X, Y, Z. How to naming this angle? How to naming this angle? So first you write the symbol of angle. Angle X, Y, Z. Angle X, Y, Z. Understood? You keep in your mind the vertex is should write the center of the center. You should write in the center. Okay, so don't forget that. Then vertex you should write in the center. Then angle ABC, then angle XYZ. This is the naming of an angle. Okay, then how to form an angle? The angles are the union of the two rays with the same end point. Simply we can say two rays meet at the same end point. That way we can make the angle. Next, the naming of an angle. Then write the naming. First of all, write the angle symbol. Then write ABC. You always remember one thing. The vertex you should write in the center. Okay. Then next one. Then angle XYZ. Understood? Okay. Now we are discussing our chapter. Chapter 1, adding angles. Then so many angles are given in your textbook. First of all, we are studying the right angle. What is the right angle? What is the right angle? First, I will draw one baseline. What is this? Is the baseline of angle. What is this? A baseline. Then, we are drawing the next one. Straight line. This is a perpendicular line. Draw one perpendicular line. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. What is the measurement of this angle? But using your protractor and you measure this. Okay, first of all you draw this like one angles, then you measure with your protractor. What's the angle of this? What's the measurement of this angle? It's a 90 degree angle. What is 90 degree? We already discussed the unit of measurement of angle is degree. Unit of measurement of angle is degree. This is called what? Degrees. So we already discussed this. The unit of measurement of angle is degrees. Okay. Then this angle. So what is the measurement of this angle? 90 degree. This type of angle is called right angle. What is right angle? The right angle is 90 degree angle. The 90 degree angles are called right angle. Okay, understood. Okay, so draw a one baseline. Then again we use your ruler, means scale. Then we use one perpendicular line. The form and one angle. This is 90 degree angle. This angle is called right angle. Okay, then what is this? Do you know what is this? This is a circle. What's the measurement of this full circle? So what is the measurement of this circle? So degree. What's the measurement this circle? We already discussed it. Do you remember? What is? It's a very good. What is 360 degree? What is the circle? This is the full rotation. One full rotation. What is one full rotation? One full rotation. One full rotation means then you draw one line here. Then you rotate this line like this. Then meet at the same point. This is the one full rotation. This that way we can make a circle. It's a one full rotation. What's the measurement of this? Full measurement of this circle? 360 degree. What is 360 degree? Then we can say 360 degree is one full rotation. 360 degree is one full rotation. Understand? What is this? This is what? This is a half rotation. What is this? This is the half rotation. This is the full rotation. This is the half rotation. Then the one full rotation is 360 degree. Then what's the measurement of the half rotation? See, what is how to find out? The full rotation is 360 degree. Then half rotation is what? Half rotation. The half of 360. Yeah, half of, is it? The half of 360. The half of 360 is what? 180. 180 degree. And then 360 is a one full rotation. Then 180 is a half rotation. 180 is a half rotation. Okay. Then first of all, as to discuss the two things here. Then first of all, 90 degree is called right angle. It's a 360 is one full rotation. The 180 degree is a half rotation. Okay, understood. Okay. Now we are discussing the right angle. How to draw one right angle? Then draw a baseline. Then another draw a perpendicular line. This angle is called 90 degree is a right angle. Right angle. Okay. Next we can draw one baseline. This is a straight edge of your protractor. This is the straight edge of your protractor. This is the sender. This is the sender. Here is 0. Here is 180. 180 degree. This is the straight edge of your protractor. This is the center of the protractor. This line is 0 to 180. What's the measurement of this angle? What's the measurement of this angle? See, what's the measurement of this angle? This angle is called 90 degrees, a right angle. Then this is a straight angle. The straight angle is 180 degree. That is, this angle is called straight angle. Angle is called straight angle. The straight angle is 180 degree. The 90 degree angles is called right angle. The 180 degree angles is called straight angle. What is straight angle? Straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Then in your textbook, so many angles are given. Then I will draw one angle. This is a straight line. Then like this. As a write the name. Write the name A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we already know that this is a straight line, perpendicular line. It's called what? 90 degree angle. We want to find out this angle. Okay, we already learned what? There's a straight angle is called 180 degree. Straight angle is called 180 degree. Okay, I will write two angles here. Angle ABD and angle DBC. This angle ABD. This angle. Angle ABD and angle ADBC. What is the relation between these two angles? What is the relation between these two angles? We want to find out this angle and this angle. These two angles. We already learned what one straight angle is called 180 degree. So we can write angle ABD. Angle ABD like this. Then angle DBC. But this is angle BDC. This is what? This is a half rotation. This is a half rotation. This is also half rotation. Half rotation. Half rotation. What is the angle of half rotation? 180 degree. Full rotation 360 degree. Half rotation 180 degree. But angle ABD and angle DBC. What is the relation between angle ABD and DBC? Is a straight angle. Understood? We already learned the half rotation is 180 degree. Then angle ABD and DBC. This is a half rotation. This is a half rotation. Is called 180 degree. DBC is a 180 degree. Understood all of you? We always remember these two things. First of all, 90 degree is the right angle. 90 degree angle is called right angle. The 180 degree is a straight angle. It's a half rotation of this. Then half rotation, what is the measurement of this 180 degree? Then 180 degree is called a straight angle. You always remember these two things because you want to find out so many angles. The total measurement of angles. In your textbook, so many examples are given. So this is the basic of adding angles. First of all, the 90 degree is called right angle. 180 degree is called straight angle. This is a half rotation. So also the relation between angle ABD and DBC is what? 180 degree. Understood all of you? Okay. We will wind up this section. If you have any doubt, you ask me personally. Okay, everything you clear this. Okay, my dear children. We will meet the next class. Bye.